Hello, dear subscribers and guests. I am not an ordinary farmer. I am a person who is connected with the earth with my heart, who loves every seedling, and who knows well that behind every fruit lies hard work and honest labor. I sow seeds in the spring, I take care of them in the summer, and in the fall I share my harvest with you. Especially Rizamat grapes are my pride, the sweet fruit of my patience. I love growing grapes and want to introduce this industry to more people. Through each video, I want to show you not only my products, but also the joy of honest labor, the miracle of nature. Today, the grape harvest has ripened and I have started picking. Enjoy my harvest. On my channel, you will see grape varieties, care secrets, real garden life, and success behind real labor.